Literature reviews are notorious procrastination triggers. That endless feeling of just one more paper can keep you stuck in perpetual reading mode with nothing actually written. Here's my structured protocol approach to break free. First, create a clear review protocol before you begin. Define specific inclusion and exclusion criteria and be ruthless. Set concrete reading deadlines on your calendar. Now, here's the crucial part. Schedule separate blocks for reading versus writing, and begin writing while you're still reading. So don't wait for that perfect moment when you've read everything, because that moment never arrives. Write a summary after each major paper. Then regularly consolidate these into drafts. Implementing a structured approach turns this vague exploration with the risk of going down rabbit holes into concrete academic output. What specific literature review challenge are you currently facing in your research?